Today we're with Pascal St-Jean. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Pascal, I'm curious to find out about the economic aspect and relationship into the Tikiwiki community, how different and how it operates. There are various levels.
Sure. To really learn or to understand the economic value of that Tikiwiki brings, we need to look at the way the community operates and the way that it's designed, because technically they both affect each other because of the way it's designed and forces the community to work a specific way. So unlike other projects, Tikiwiki is an all-in-one set of features. Everything's in the core, which means that everybody works together towards a common goal.
So there are no plugins, or what is commonly known as plugins. With Tiki, it's all in one.
Exactly. So unlike other systems where you have a core and a module system, Tiki is an all-in-one. Now what that means, first of all, is it creates great R&D value because everybody's time is focused on specific aspects because we communicate together to better the system. Where you take the core and module approach, that could create individualism or isolation because I have access to build whatever I want alone. I don't necessarily need the help of anybody else. So that could lead to duplication of features, relationships that aren't necessarily built or evolved because I don't need to necessarily learn about everybody else in the community. Tikiwiki, you can't get away without that. You really need to learn how everything works, and therefore you start talking and interacting with more people in the community, which builds very solid relationships, and that's a great
What about competition? What about a developer who is used to build a plugin for an application and integrate it with the common CMS? How is it economically valued in terms of Tikiwiki?
Well, you really, when you come into Tikiwiki, some other business models don't always apply. You can't, it's difficult to say, well, I'm going to build this proprietary plugin that works with this other system. How can I do that with Tikiwiki? That can be done, but it could be difficult. The good way, the beauty about Tikiwiki is once you really understand the community and you understand that the values are found in other places and not just in that little piece of code that you write. It's more about let's benefit all of us together, and the economic opportunities will come in different ways, and in the end those ways are actually of greater value than of your little piece of work. And it took me a little while to figure that out because I came from a world of where things are proprietary and those are considered of value and you want to protect that. And here I've really learned that being open and working with others just accelerates the value, which in the end, when we all share together, we unlock great economic potential in other markets that technically would be difficult to do and very costly to do without this type of design. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Pascal.
Very welcome.
Now I understand why Tiki is more of a community management system instead of being a content management system.
Thank you.